In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to update Notepad++. Now this is an alternative to the Notepad application on your Windows 11 PC. And for the Notepad++ application to work well, then you need to update it regularly. So what you need to do first is launch the Notepad++ application. So go to the start button, and then you can either find it here or simply type Notepad++. And you should find it there. Click on it to launch the application. Now let me just expand it a little. So with an active internet connection on your computer, once you launch the Notepad++ application, then in the menu bar at the top here, go ahead and click on this little question mark icon. This one right here at the top here next to window, this question mark. So click on it and a little menu appears, and from the menu simply select Update Notepad++. And once you do that, it's going to check if there are any available updates. And as you can see, mine says an update package is available. Do you want to download it? So I'll click on yes, and then allow the update files to be downloaded. And then from the dialog box, click yes. Click on yes to allow this app to make changes to your device, and then click OK. Select next, agree, next, next, and finally click on install. And that's it. You can now click on finish. And that's basically how you can update Notepad++ on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.